Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Chapter 33 Rangoli. Rangoli is one of the most beautiful and most pleasing art forms of India. The word Rangoli or Rangavali consists of two words, Rang meaning color and Avali meaning a row or line. Rangoli is the art of making designs or patterns on the walls or the floor of the house using finely ground white powder and different colors. In many households, Rangoli designs are drawn in the courtyard or in the front of the doorstep every day. The most interesting feature of Rangoli is that it is drawn afresh every day. Just as you cleanse and adorn yourself every day, you clean your house and decorate it with a Rangoli every day. Adorn means make more beautiful or attractive. On special occasions, you wear special clothes and ornaments. In the same way, special magnificent designs are made on the occasion of feasts and festivals. Design and patterns. The traditional form of Rangoli makes use of designs and motifs based on nature such as mango, creepers, lotus, and other flowers, swans, peacocks, fish, and other animals, and so on. Rangoli designs also include geometrical patterns and shapes. Nowadays, other fancy designs and freehand drawings are also used to make beautiful Rangolis. How it is made? Usually, Rangoli lines are made using coarse grained powders such as sand, marble dust, sawdust, or rice grain powder, as it provides a good grip while making the straight or curving lines. Coarse-grained means coarse or rough in texture. It is important to draw unbroken lines of even thickness to maintain the beauty of the design. The skill to do so comes with a lot of practice. The Rangoli can then be left as a beautiful drawing, or you can fill it with bright-colored powders. It is customary to prepare a special background for Rangoli with geru or wet red ochre so that the white design stands out very well. Customary means according to the customs or usual practices of a particular society. Also, usually, a grid of rows and columns of dots is used to give a proper frame and shape to the design. Rangoli and Diwali. Rangoli occupies a special place in the festival of Deepavali or Diwali. Since the art form is an expression of warm hospitality, it is used by almost everyone to decorate the courtyard during the festival. Hospitality means friendly and generous behavior towards guests. It signifies that the people coming to the house are welcome inside. Rangoli in different states. Rangoli art is known by different names in different parts of the country. It is known as Chowk Puran in Uttar Pradesh, Madana in Rajasthan, Muggu in Andhra Pradesh, and as Rangoli in Gujarat, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Each region has its special characteristic designs and patterns. In the northern parts of India, it is customary to make Rangoli designs with traditional wet colors. In Bengal, Rangoli is known as Alpana, whereas in Bihar and Uttaranchal, it is named Epan. Kolam is the name given to the art of Rangoli in southern parts of the country, mainly in the states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Kolam designs are made with the help of rice powder. Rangoli in the modern days. Rangoli art has been used for centuries to beautify many Indian households. Previously, it was used mainly by women. Today, both men and women learn and practice this art, adding their innovative ideas to the traditional designs and motifs. Innovative means introducing or using new ideas, ways of doing something, etc. At the time of public celebrations, carpets of rangolis are spread over large areas and even long distances. Some people use leaves and flowers to make rangolis which are beautiful as well as fragrant. Would you like to try your hand at this beautiful art form?